Oh my God, it's so late. We gotta do this enseguida. Hi everyone, the word of the day is enseguida. Enseguida. Sometimes you will see this as one word, but sometimes you will see a space between en and seguida. Enseguida. Both of them are correct. Enseguida is an adverb and it means immediately, right away, at once, or straight away. Enseguida works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form. Now, let's see a few examples. Tengo que regresar al trabajo enseguida. Tengo que regresar al trabajo enseguida. Te traigo los documentos enseguida. Te traigo los documentos enseguida. Me di cuenta enseguida que perdí el vuelo. Me di cuenta enseguida que perdí el vuelo. Tenemos que llamarles enseguida para decirles las noticias. Tenemos que llamarles enseguida para decirles las noticias. Se me olvidó el pasaporte. Tengo que regresar a mi casa enseguida. Se me olvidó el pasaporte. Tengo que regresar a mi casa enseguida. Okay, that was the word of the day. Enseguida means that something will have to happen right away, immediately. Leave me more examples down below using enseguida. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, I will be live streaming pretty soon, so stay tuned because I'll let you know more about it. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!